What's up guys, welcome to the Dr. Niki show. So if you guys are trying to grow on Instagram, especially in 2020, and if you are a time traveler, please hit me up. My dog really wants to help out with this video. I made the mistake of not shooting earlier. I started shooting earlier because I batch my content. I record multiple videos, but he needs a hook, so you have to bear with him while I try to explain how I grow on Instagram using hashtags and how you can too. So first of all, I really appreciate your comments, and if you want to be shouted out in one of my next videos, comment something down below that you've learned from this video or that you have hated about this video for a chance to be shouted out in the next 2 weeks videos. Also, if you're interested in growing on social media and e-commerce tips, consider clicking that subscribe button. I'm pretty sure it's somewhere down below. No, that's just curry. But on your screen, right, there should be a red button. It says SUBSCRIBE and BELL notification. Click that to save a dinosaur, especially if you like this video. And I can already see you did that because my dog just left me alone for, probably 10 minutes to finish at least one more video. So if you want to know if you've been shouted out on this video, make sure you stick until the end to find out. So first of all, what is a hashtag? Man, this starts like these weird classes you don't care about, right? Like chemistry, physics, and I'm sorry if you did. Like my wife is a pharmacist, so she cares about biology and so on. But the first class you have, especially in university classes, like you have national economics. First lesson, what is national economics? So this is how we'll start this video. This is an educational channel, even though you should do your own due diligence. What is a hashtag? So in SEO, you might have heard that term, and if you haven't already and you're going on Instagram, you gotta know it. It's not going anywhere. SEO is search engine optimization. Normally, we refer to it when we talk about Google, right? Ranking in Google, having a better search engine optimization on page, off page. I have a bunch of videos about it, like how to write the perfect blog post, SEO mistakes, and so on. But you have, a search function on most websites, right? YouTube, this is owned by Google, obviously, but you have a search option. You have a search option in Facebook, pretty easy to rank there right now. And you have a search option on Instagram, and you want to be optimized for it. And when you do that in any platform, it recommends you further. For example, you rank on YouTube in a very good way and you get good retention, good click-through rate, good watch time. What happens is YouTube starts recommending your video. This is the same with Instagram. Rank on hashtags, better chance on the explore page. So Instagram has a search function, and for you to rank better on it, you need, you're fat now. I'm fat shaming you, Curry, because you wait though. This is just fact. So when you choose your hashtags on Instagram and it's detrimental, this is the first thing that I go over with my clients at drniki.co. And even though it's very basic, it revolves around your whole, strategy regarding social media. So for example, if you choose the wrong hashtags, and this is, the simplest example. For example, you have a picture of a beef burger, but you choose vegan hashtags because you weren't checking what the two suggested, right? Or you just copied someone else's hashtags. What happens? Well, people that don't care about your photo, that will actually be mad about it, will actually also report it because it's not relevant to what's going on in these hashtags. And it's even worse if you actually get the chance to be featured in the explore page and you're featured in front of people who despise everything about the photo. And I'm pretty sure my dog's not vegan. He hasn't turned vegan yet. He'll eat a beef burger. He'll eat burger with, I don't know, vegans, do they eat burgers? Vegetarians do. Sorry, but you have to go. I really have to make this video. So a fun tip and a very important tip is that you can actually use up to 30 hashtags. It doesn't matter if you use them in the comments and the caption. I personally use them in the caption. I have a video on how you can actually use everything in the caption perfectly. It's about how to get a very good Instagram bio, but it's the same principle to make a good caption. And I also have a video about captions. If you want to get good captions, should they be long, short, and so on. So how does does your post get distributed, right? You're using, for example, 28 hashtags. You don't have to use 30 every time. You get followers. Followers are normally the first people to see your post. It also, if you're not shadow banned. If you are, I have a video about it on my channel on also how to fix an action block. So first you get your photo shown in the recent when you click on hashtags, and also your photo gets distributed to your followers. So what happens is it doesn't get distributed to all your followers. It normally gets distributed to your best followers, right? The people that engage the most with your content. Because if they don't engage with it, they don't click it, view it, high retention, like it, comment on it, it means it's bad. And if the most loyal people from your following don't like it, Instagram understands that chances are no one will. This is why you should remove ghost followers. I also have a video about it on my channel, and at this point you're probably wondering, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you doing with your life? Because I have a video on everything, because 7 videos a week, man. So as you can see on this post I've gotten some likes, comments, 428 likes, 22 comments, 12 shares, 49 saves. Saves are very important to rank on hashtags, by the way. And I had some profile visits, very low amount of follows. So as you can see though, I got 7,000 reach on hashtags, and I only had like 600 followers at this point. So getting 7,000 hashtag reach is really good on 600 photos. I've got like 1.3 thousand right now. And when you click view insights on the picture, you can see how you're ranking on hashtags. So what happens is your post is distributed in the following manner. You have impressions, which means how many times the photo was shown, how many eyeballs kind of saw it, the hashtag reach from hashtags, obviously, from home, people who browsing saw it, from profile, checking your profile from other. This happens when you're using engagement pods, or you have your post linked on Pinterest, or external links to your post. So how to rank on hashtags? As you can see, I can kind of rank. If you go on my profile, click on rank results, you can see I'm ranking number 1 like almost every time I post something on hashtags, and I'm doing that for my clients as well. So it's really important to get hashtags with an average engagement relative to yours, right? You gotta know the average likes and comments on the hashtags you're trying to rank for. Obviously this will be an issue when likes are removed, but probably follower count on the Instagram accounts that are ranking would be a nice metric on how to choose the hashtag. So if you're getting around 100 likes per photo, you should choose hashtags with an average of 100 likes. You can analyze them with social info and stuff like that. There's a lot of tools. I can go over them in another video. If you want that, comment down below. So when you get very successful hashtags that you see a post really, it comes down to testing, right? Back testing. You gotta see what works, what doesn't for your profile. When you see very good results on these hashtags, you should actually save them to hashtag sets, so you can actually use them for another time. You can see the average likes you have, especially if you're reposting. You should, and if you have automated reposting, you can, analyze the pages and hashtags of different pages like this. I'm doing this in this example with Social Blade. As you can see here on my channel, I've got 193 media uploads. I think it's over 900 because I uploaded a bunch of IGTV videos. I didn't, refresh. 1,340 followers. I'm at 1,370 or something, following no one, and I've got an engagement rate of 18%. My average likes are 217, so you gotta choose hashtags that are around 200 average likes. So I'll show you a free tool. There's a lot better ones. I'll show you a free tool though. You obviously need to test and research, right? What works the best. So if you use this tool, all hashtags, as shown in this picture, when you go on the broad one there, you can see a bunch of options. You have top, random, and live. I would choose top normally. Write one hashtag and get up to 30 examples, and then a lot of similar hashtags. This is how I choose my hashtags. If you have any question about hashtags, any issues not ranking, comment down below and I'll try to help you out. And the comment winner for this video is Anonymous, who says, "Thank you so much for mentioning me in the video, man. Love your videos so much." And he's commenting on the video about the YouTube rank tracker. Well, you got mentioned again because you are one of the most loyal subscribers I have. I really appreciate it. Even a small like on this channel means a lot to me because I'm a very small creator, right? And it's super motivating when I see a new comment. And I really want to help you guys out as well. And when you actually like this video and comment, you also help the YouTube algorithm favor it and recommend it to more people. And if you share it, you'll be a real hero. So you should know by now that a video a day keeps the doctor away. Even though this is not financial advice. And by the end of this video, there's, some screen real estate here. So what I would suggest is click one of those videos. One of them, I click on the option best for viewers. So what this does is YouTube, right, and Google know everything you are doing when no one is around. So they will recommend something to you that's actually interesting from my channel to you. And then on the second option, this is something special that I did for you that if you've watched it until the end, you'll probably enjoy. See you in the next one. Bye.